This is a test. This is a test of how your mind is going to sabotage your happiness or create a story. We as human beings get to choose how happy we get to be, and then we can make up stories about this is silly, this is too much, this is inappropriate, whatever it is. So here's what's going to challenge you is this next part. And it's up to you to see if you allow yourself to get upset or if you just let it go, because I promise you most people in the room are going to be laughing. And if you're not, my question to you is, why have you not been allowing yourself to be happy? And why have you been making up a story that everything needs to be serious? Make sense? Okay, so these are my balls. And we're going to play with them for a little bit. Notice what your mind's saying to you right now. So before we do this, listen, some kids, if you throw things at them, they're going to be afraid. So you want them to see that if you're doing something, they're soft. So does anybody want to feel my balls real quick? You want to feel my balls? Okay, just feel them for a second. Okay, don't squeeze. What did I tell you? Feel good for her.